Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Authentisign and choosing Webforms. Create a new web form now and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Add expiration and signer roles immediately because those control access and routing. Upload the document or documents you need, then map the first fields, signature, date, and required text so the form enforces completion. Once done, save the draft. This locks in your basic structure and prepares the form for the next configuration steps. You now place signature blocks, initials, dates, and any checkboxes exactly where signers must act, aligning them with the document content so nothing overlaps. Set each field's properties, make some required, others read-only, and apply conditional visibility where needed so the form adapts. Next, define the signer routing order and add reminders or authentication steps like email OTP. This ensures the right people sign in the correct sequence and reduces errors during execution. You finish by previewing the web form and performing test signatures for each role to catch layout or permission issues before publishing. Once satisfied, publish the web form and copy the share link or embed code to distribute. Then monitor the status dashboard for signing progress and delivery events. If something goes wrong, retest immediately and inspect field locking and routing order. Incorrect locks or an out-of-sequence route are the most common causes of failed signatures, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.